Welcome, fellow travelers, on this cosmic journey called life. Today, we embark on an awe-inspiring exploration of the universe, that vast expanse of space and time that has given birth to everything we know and everything we are. As we journey deeper into the cosmos, let the celestial ballet that unfolds before us remind us of the wonders that exist beyond our tiny corner of the universe. We are but a small part of an infinite story, one that spans billions of years and countless galaxies. Our universe, a wondrous tapestry of celestial bodies, is so immense that its true scale defies human comprehension. Spanning over 93 billion light-years, it contains a mind-boggling 2 trillion galaxies, each filled with billions of stars, planets, and countless possibilities. As we witness this cosmic menagerie, we are reminded of the immense diversity of the universe, the unique beauty of each celestial body, and the potential for untold wonders that lie hidden within the vastness of the cosmos. The universe began with a cataclysmic event known as the Big Bang, nearly 13.8 billion years ago. In the primordial chaos that followed, cosmic structures gradually took shape. As matter coalesced, stars ignited, and galaxies formed, the universe's true beauty began to reveal itself. The breathtaking complexity of these celestial phenomena invites us to ponder the delicate balance of forces that has allowed them to emerge from the void. They are the result of an intricate cosmic dance, born from the very fabric of existence itself. Our own solar system, a tiny speck within the vast cosmic canvas, formed over 4.6 billion years ago. At its heart lies the Sun, a colossal fusion reactor that provides us with warmth and light. Around it, a diverse family of planets orbits, each with its own unique qualities and potential for life. As we delve into the history of our cosmic neighborhood, we gain a deeper appreciation for the intricate processes that have shaped its formation and evolution. We are reminded of the delicate balance that allows our solar system to exist, a balance that has persisted for billions of years against all odds. Among these celestial bodies, Earth stands out as a cosmic miracle. Blessed with the perfect conditions for life, our pale blue dot gave rise to the earliest single-celled organisms around 3.5 billion years ago. Through an incredible series of events, these microscopic entities evolved, diversified, and ultimately gave rise to the rich tapestry of life we see today. As we contemplate the origins of life on our planet, we are reminded of the miraculous series of events that have led to the existence of the diverse and complex biosphere we call home. Life on Earth is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of living organisms, a saga that spans billions of years and countless species. From the depths of the oceans to the highest mountains, life on Earth has adapted and thrived in a myriad of environments. Over countless millennia, the evolutionary process sculpted species after species, each remarkable in its own way. Amidst this incredible parade of life, a new contender emerged, Homo sapiens, our own species. As we trace the path of our ancestors, from the African savannas to every corner of the globe, we gain a profound understanding of our roots and the shared heritage that unites us all. We are but a single thread in the intricate web of life, a web that has been woven over billions of years of triumph and adversity. In the blink of a cosmic eye, humanity has achieved astonishing feats. We have conquered our environment, built great civilizations, and unlocked the secrets of the universe through science and technology. Our curiosity has led us to the stars as we venture further into the cosmos, seeking to understand our place in the grand scheme of things. The accomplishments of our species are a testament to the power of human ingenuity and determination, qualities that have allowed us to overcome seemingly insurmountable challenges and redefine the boundaries of what is possible. As we explore the universe, the tantalizing question of whether we are alone remains. The discovery of exoplanets, worlds orbiting distant stars, has fueled our imagination and driven the search for extraterrestrial life. Within our own solar system, tantalizing clues suggest that life may exist on moons like Europa and Enceladus, where vast subsurface oceans beckon. As we continue our search for life beyond Earth, we are reminded of the boundless possibilities that await us in the depths of the cosmos. and the profound implications that the discovery of extraterrestrial life would have for our understanding of our place in the universe. As we contemplate the enormity of the universe, we are reminded of the importance of unity and cooperation. In the face of cosmic vastness, our differences fade into insignificance. It is only by working together that we can hope to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos and ensure the continued survival and prosperity of our species. As we embark on the next chapter of our cosmic journey, let us strive to overcome the divisions that have plagued our history and forge a future defined by collaboration, understanding, and a shared sense of purpose. Together, we can reach for the stars and unlock the secrets of the universe. As we conclude our cosmic journey, we're left with a sense of wonder and a renewed appreciation for the vast and intricate universe that surrounds us. We have ventured through space and time, witnessed the birth and evolution of celestial bodies, and marveled at the resilience of life in the face of countless challenges. We are but a small part of an immense story, a story that is still unfolding before our very eyes. As we continue to explore the depths of the cosmos, let us never lose sight of our shared heritage and our collective responsibility to protect and cherish the pale blue dot we call home. Thank you for joining us on this incredible voyage through the universe. If you've enjoyed this journey, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awe-inspiring content. Until next time, fellow travelers, keep looking up and let the stars guide your way.